The no signal error on your Sceptre monitor means it's not receiving input from your device, causing it to enter power save mode. Begin by checking the physical connections. Ensure the HDMI or DisplayPort cable is securely plugged into both your monitor and device. Try a different cable, as the existing one might be faulty. Next, verify the correct input source is selected on your monitor using the OSD menu. Cycle through HDMI 1, HDMI 2, DisplayPort, etc. to find the active input. A quick hard reset can often resolve the issue. Unplug the monitor from the power outlet for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. If the problem persists, the issue might be related to device settings or compatibility. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the no signal issue, start with updating your graphics drivers. Outdated drivers often cause display problems, so visit your GPU manufacturer's website to download the latest version for your card. Next, ensure your PC or device outputs at a resolution supported by the monitor. Check your display settings and adjust if the resolution is too high or incompatible. For PC users, check your BIOS or UEFI settings to ensure the primary display output is correctly configured. Access your system's firmware during boot and verify the graphics adapter priority. For persistent issues, update your monitor's firmware via USB. Visit Sceptre's website for the latest firmware version specific to your model and follow their instructions for safe installation. Some users report success by switching to DisplayPort 1.4, especially with newer GPUs. This can resolve compatibility issues with HDMI that cause no signal problems. To prevent future issues, regularly inspect cables for damage and ensure proper ventilation to avoid overheating. For multiple monitors, use a capable HDMI splitter and check it for faults. If these advanced steps fail, contact Sceptre support or consult online forums for model-specific advice. Provide details about your setup for the best assistance.